we're gonna head out today. I got 213 miles to go to this place called Cold Spring Tavern out past Solvang, California. I'm coming up in the Salinas, California right now, and we're gonna head down the 101, get out there, get on some back roads, and Cold Spring Tavern. Old place, supposed to have really good tri-tip. Maybe I'll get a tri-tip salad. But Lake Chicama's out there. It's I've never seen the lake full in my whole life, and after this winter, yeah, it's like a reservoir for Santa Barbara. It's full of water, so you should ride by that, see some other little sightseeing stuff, and the weather should get nice and warm out there. It's still cold over here. Fighting some sun, trying to come out, and let's get out there. Cold Spring Tavern was established as a stagecoach stop in 1865, originally known as the Cold Spring Relay Station. It was a horse changeover and meals break station. The tavern is located 20 minutes north of Santa Barbara, California, in Cold Spring Canyon, which is about a mile off Highway 154 along Stagecoach Road in the San Marcos Pass. Known for its tri-tip, cold beverages, and a good time. Here's a look at the Cold Spring Tavern. Here's a look at the Log Cabin Bar. I ordered the Caesar salad with tri-tip, and the tri-tip was as good as they said. Outstanding. Here's a look at Lake Cachuma, totally full to the max. And here's the town of Solvang, which kind of has a Dutch look to it with windmills and the whole deal. $533.7 miles round trip. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the notification, and please subscribe.